Hello and welcome to my first YouTube video on the Archa and Olive YouTube channel. I'm Martje and I'm the owner of the Instagram page Martje's Journal. Today I'm gonna show you how to start with penpalling. Before you start writing, you need to find someone to exchange letters with. You can use websites like Postcrossing or Global Pen Friends, where you can safely connect with other letter lovers around the world. My personal favorite is to search on Instagram or TikTok hashtags like penpal search, penpals wanted or snail mail community. Important for me is to always have a snack while being creative, so grab yourself a tea and some snack if you want and enjoy. One of the best parts of penpalling is collecting your stationery. You don't need to buy much to begin, start with what you already have. I love to use papers, for example this one from Martje and Olive. Of course you need a scissor, pens and glue. Maybe you already have some cute washi tapes, otherwise you can also take a look at the Martje and Olive shop. I will also use these pens. Now comes the most important part. I like to decorate the letter in a similar design like the envelope. As you can see, I'm just trying around and when it's ready, I glue it down. I think it's always a bit difficult to write the first letter to a new person, but here I have some topics for you can write about in your letter. Your favorite hobbies or creative projects, fun facts about you and your current lifestyle, and of course a friendly introduction of yourself. Let yourself enough time to write the letter. Of course, it's your turn to decide about the content of it. I will finish my letter off cam. Let's start with decorating the letter. I always start with the different papers. Try around like I do, and there are no borders for your creativity. Very important, remind your snacks. As a small tip, marker glue points before sticking everything down. It keeps your layout neat and tidy. Try to create different layouts using different stationery items. Here I am using washi tape from Martje and Olive. I have to use these cute stickers they have sent me. If you need some more inspiration, take a look on my Instagram account or the blog from Martje and Olive. There you'll find my blog post about this topic as well. I would love to hear from you and your first penpalling experience in the comments. If you want to use the products I use in this video, take a look at the Archer and Olive online shop. The last step is to write the name of your penpal partner down here. I hope you liked the video and we will see us in the next video too. Bye!